Ever wondered how your website can reach the top of search results? The secret lies in keyword analysis. It's a critical SEO tool, helping you grasp what potential customers are searching for and guiding you in creating compelling, relevant content. To put it simply, keyword analysis is the roadmap to a successful online presence. But how does one conduct keyword analysis? Well, think of it like a treasure hunt. You start by identifying a list of relevant keywords. These are the words your audience uses to find content like yours. Then it's all about analyzing their search volume and competition. The goal? To find high-volume, low-competition keywords. And remember, this isn't a one-time gig. Search trends shift, so regular keyword analysis is crucial. Done right, keyword analysis can be the key to unlocking your website's full potential. Sounds complicated? Well, it doesn't have to be. Meet Authority Solutions, your trusted partner in keyword analysis. We're here to help you identify and implement the right keywords effectively. So why wait? Boost your online presence with Authority Solutions today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more insightful content.